With only 144 videos, this channel has over 9K subscribers. When you sort the videos by views, you'll be astounded to see one with more than 8.3 million views, which is astonishing considering that most of the videos are brief. These figures amply demonstrate the channel's outstanding performance. Even more amazing, considering that the channel has only been up for 2 months, the owner has already racked up more than 31 million views. This demonstrates how powerful the content is, and the exciting news is that producing this kind of content is very simple. Take a look at this video.
Give up pizza or give up burgers.
Creating this content is incredibly simple, as I mentioned earlier. What's fascinating about it is that it encourages viewers to leave comments, which keeps them engaged until the end of the video. Consequently, YouTube shares it with a wider audience, allowing more people to see it. This phenomenon explains the impressive number of views we witnessed earlier. And honestly, my friend, it doesn't get any easier than this remarkable content. Now let's dive into the video and watch it in its entirety so that you don't miss a single detail. You can find the script for the video in the description box. I requested ChatGPT to generate a table consisting of 50 questions. Each question should have 2 options, with the first option in the first column and the second option in the second column. Additionally, I asked for a fictional percentage for those who chose the first option in the third column, and the same for those who chose the second option in the fourth column. To make my request clearer, I provided an example. ChatGPT delivered the exact table I needed, which is truly impressive. Now, let's move on to the important part. This time, you will need to focus a bit more, as we're going to create a video that is identical to the one we saw on the channel. To start, visit the well-known website canva.com. Once there, select the video option, followed by mobile video. Next, extend the page to a size of 6.8. To create a rectangle, click in the middle of the page and press the R key. Move the rectangle to the desired location and adjust its size accordingly. Aim to place it in the center of the page and change its color to red. Afterward, create another rectangle by pressing the R key and position it to fill the remaining space on the page. Choose the color blue for this rectangle. Now, let's make another rectangle following the same steps, but this time leave it in the middle. Repeat these steps and make it black. To transform a rectangle into a circle, press the R key again and click on Shape, then select Circle. Adjust its size and place it in the center. Now it's time to add text. Go to the text section and select Add a Heading. Type your desired text and position it in the center of the circle. Change the text color to white and select the font Brassica. Lastly, set the text size to 70. Go back to the text and choose Add a Heading again. Place it here and type Pizza. Next, go to the animation options and select Typewriter. This will give a nice effect to the heading. Then, go to the Effects menu and choose Outline. Change the color to black and finally change the font to Process. After that, click on Duplicate and place it here. Change the text to Burger. Now click on the animation options again and choose Pop. Then go down and select Pulse to make it move in a specific way. Now let's add some percentages. We'll follow the same method as before and put in some fictional percentages. After that, right-click and select Show Timing to set specific times for when we want things to appear and disappear. Just follow the same steps I'm doing. I changed the display time for the pizza to about 0.8 seconds and for the burger to about 1.2 seconds. This way, the pizza will appear first, and then the burger. To change the timing for anything on the page, just click on it and adjust the timing. We'll hide the pizza when the time reaches 5.1 seconds, and the same goes for the burger. As for the percentages, keeping the pizza and burger hidden. When the cursor is placed on the pizza, it should start disappearing, and the percentage should start appearing. Add some music to enhance the experience. Use an alarm clock sound or an egg timer tick-tock sound to start when the pizza and burger are fully displayed and end when they disappear. When the results appear, add a bell ding sound effect. Move the percentages on top of the words so that when the words disappear, the percentages take their place. Use a whoosh sound effect synced with the appearance of the words when the pizza and burger are displayed. If you can't click on the number 64, zoom in on the page, select the layer, and send it to the background behind the word pizza to enable clicking. Well done. Now let's add a table and automatically create multiple pages. To do this, go to the app and search for bulk. Return to the chat and copy the entire table from GPT. Go back to Canva, click on Bulk Creation, select Enter Data manually, scroll down, clear the table, paste the copied table, and finally click Done. When linking the words to the table, be cautious. To avoid errors, zoom in on the image. Make sure to select Pizza, right-click, and connect the data to link it to Thing 1. Place Thing 1 inch behind the percentage to make it easier to click. Repeat the same process for Burger and its respective percentage. Once you're done, click Continue, and then Generate. Canva will create 50 pages based on the table. You'll need to manually add sound effects to each page. Let's enhance the visual appeal by adding images. Go to the Elements section and type the name of the first option, which is Pizza. Choose an image for pizza and position it above the word. Adjust its size if necessary. Next, search for Burger and explore more options by clicking on Graphics. Add the desired image below the word Burger. Now let's make each image appear when the relevant word is displayed. The pizza image should appear with the word pizza, and the burger image should appear with the word burger. After that, add animation. I suggest using the pan effect as it suits both images. Finally, change the color of the higher percentage to green. If desired, you can also change the color of the lower percentage to red. Now let's make the video more engaging by adding audio. Go to tastemaker.com and type the names of the items such as pizza or burger. Select your preferred voice and complete the CAPTCHA. Click Convert and download the file. Add the audio to Canva and place it at the beginning of each word, such as pizza for me. In the video, I'll only cover the first page. However, for your project, remember to add images and sound effects to each page. Finally, download the video by going to the Share tab and selecting Download.
Pizza or burger.